Where does the name for Llys Helig come from? So today I'm between Penmaen Mawr and Llanfairfechan in Conwy County, and sometimes on a very low tide, about once a year, stones appear off this headland and it's called Llys Helig. Let's get into the name. Let's break the name down. First we have Llys. Now, Llys is a court or a manor house or a place where a lord would rule from in early medieval Wales. And then we have Helig. Now, Helig is a person's name, and the person it's referring to is a probably mythical but potentially real king called Helig ap Glanog, who was from the 6th century. Now, what we do know about the stone formation called Llys Helig off Penmaen Mawr is that in the medieval times it was probably used as a fishing weir. However, it is traditionally associated with the legend of Helig ap Glanog. Now, the stone formation off Penmaen Mawr is supposedly the ruins of the court of Helig ap Glanog, who lost his kingdom to the sea because of his sins. His kingdom supposedly stretched across this entire area, from Anglesey, which is behind me, Ynys Penmaen Mawr, which is where I'm sitting now, all the way across to Gogarth, the Orme, and Llandudno, and over there is Penmaen Bach. Now, anyone familiar with Welsh mythology will probably recognise this as the myth of Cantref Gwaelod, the Cantref of the deep, of the bottom, the lost Cantref. And it's quite possible that because the legend of the Cantref Gwaelod in Ceredigion and the legend of Cantref Gwaelod here are so similar that actually they've been mixed up with each other over time. Now, is it real? Probably not, unfortunately. The geology doesn't quite match up, and neither does the history. But it doesn't mean it's not an interesting story nonetheless. The name literally means the court of King Helig ap Glanog. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share, and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.